Diaspora means that you miss food like this. All this grilled fish, kiniko that we used to eat inside all these bukas in Lagos. We don't have it again, but we'll cost one in the abroad. But don't worry, your money is there for you. I finally decided to make a cooking video because I've not done one in a while. And I'm going to show you how to make this tilapia fish in less than 1 hour. Let's go, people. Let's go. I have fish and I'm trying to meal prep and cut. My friend's coming by on Tuesday and I'm just trying to marinate and season this for her, and then you know all this seasoning will have entered by Tuesday. Not sure what theme I want to make it. Maybe like Suya spiced or like I don't know, but fingers crossed. Ooh, they look cute. Fingers crossed, and I'll just show you the spices I eventually use. Spices rundown. I have yaji, that's like a must. Suya spices is like one of the best suya spices I've used ever. Garlic, because we love garlic. We love black pepper here as well. I mean, all these ingredients are repeated in these and suya spice, but I don't care. I need to add more. Not cubes, because not cubes are amazing. And then salt. And here we have all the ingredients we use for the fish. Oh, so the processing was me doing this, and I'm just going to combine this like so that it will enter the body very well. Just to combine this with the spices. Yep, leaving it as just yaji themed, but let me just add a bit of suya spice. If you have yaji, I think you can just use yaji alone. This yaji is amazing. I tasted it and it's amazing. I won't even put salt because it has salt. I'll just put small maggi because of the fish, and then we're good. I'm recording this is because I think it's fancy when you're trying to do like a grinder thing. Like, ooh, look at me, I'm grinding. Can you even see the spice falling? But whatever. Like, I'm using a grinder. Everything is Kong now, so I had to use this thing to grind it. Once winter starts like this, everything will be hard. You know, so just small oil. I'm laughing at it, but I'm actually dieting for us, sort of. But just small oil. This is for 3 fishes, so just not small. I have the mix like this. I still think it's a lot of oil though, to be honest. I wish I didn't have to use that much, and I'm just gonna rub it all in. Got a bit carried away. I mean, it looks so good. I'm gonna make one right now. Forget Tuesday. I'll make one today, and then we'll make another one for my friend on Tuesday. I mean, there's 2, so I'll just marinate these all the way till Tuesday. Those ones will even be sweeter because they'll have the spices in them forever. But yeah, grilling this fish now. Cover it with a foil to keep the thing in, and then cook it for like 35 minutes thereabout. Look at my baby. Cooking. Review time. Okay. The fish is obviously cooked. I didn't expect there to be this much water, sharp. But, ow. That's hot. So sweet. Oh my god. I think I need to grill it because it's just cooked. I actually like it like this, to be honest. But I think I want to like broil it or something. I don't know how to explain it. The final product, this is how I styled it. I should have probably grilled this a bit more, but it's cooked. I wanted the crispy skin, so I probably shouldn't have covered it, but it looks so good. I fried, oven, whatever, roasted this plantains. I'm going to have like a large salad with the fish, and this is like just a quick, easy dinner that you can do. Yeah, so bye guys. Like and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications, please. I need you guys to see my videos ASAP. All right, loves. See you later. Bye.